Hi everyone, Bhuvi Murthy here. In the upcoming weeks, I will be posting Procreate tutorials to help you understand the concepts in an easy way. In today's video, we will learn what is Procreate, how to use Procreate, and how to purchase. Let's get into the video. Procreate is a sketching and illustration app made for Apple iPad. It can be used for drawing and sketching simple to advanced artworks. To use Procreate, we need to have an iPad and Apple Pencil. Procreate is currently supported by iPad models. I have mentioned everything here. Apple Pencil is available in first and second generation. I am using Apple Pencil second generation and iPad Pro 11-inch. Procreate Pocket version is also available for iPhone users. To download the app, open App Store, search for Procreate and click on Buy option. I have already purchased the app, so it will open directly. This app is one-time purchase in App Store. Once you download the app, click on the open icon. It opens a gallery preview. Here you can see the sample artwork that comes with the app. You can open each canvas to view the image in full size. Also, you can pinch in the image to view in full size. The select option allows us to share, delete and duplicate the images. Also, the select option allows us to stack or organize multiple artworks. You can also preview multiple images by selecting them. You can move your artwork by dragging on a thumbnail left or right. You can also rotate the thumbnail by holding and rotating it with fingers. Import in the gallery menu opens a file app. By this you can open any stored images. Photo in the gallery menu opens a photo app. Select the photo which you want to edit. The plus option is used to create new canvas to sketch illustrations from scratch. In the next tutorial, we will learn about the canvas and its interface. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. If you like this video, like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.